Are you ready to transform your spiritual journey? Let's discover how to create a powerful spiritual development plan with your mentor. See, a well-structured plan can provide clarity, direction, and significant growth on your spiritual path. It's also the first task you and your mentor would be working on together, which can deepen your relationship. But in this video, I'm hoping that I can guide you through the steps to create a personalized spiritual development plan with the help of a spiritual mentor. Hey, I'm Leilani with The Magical Solution. I am a spiritualist mystic with over 25 years of experience, and I will be your spiritual mentor for today. Here is how I would help a mentee with making a plan. First, we need to understand the importance of a spiritual development plan by defining it. A spiritual development plan is a personalized roadmap that outlines your spiritual goals, practices, and milestones. And the benefits of having such a plan is that it helps you stay focused, it tracks your progress, and it helps you to make intentional decisions on your spiritual journey. Intentional being the key word. What do you want? Why do you want it? Why do you feel learning a specific thing under a specific person will get you there? What would you change, or what would you do once you've obtained this guidance and fulfilled your goals? Can we acknowledge that these are some pretty big questions, right? You're gonna need to stop, take some time, and really reflect on what you truly value and aspire to achieve on your spiritual journey. Because your goals should resonate with your core values. So, a good place to start is to create a core values statement. So some of the core values that previous mentees of mine have had are: I value art and creativity as part of my spiritual experience, and I seek to imbue it wherever and whenever I can. Or, I aspire to be liberated on every level of existence, as I believe I am a free soul with spiritual autonomy. Or, I seek spiritual union with God through informed choices, and my choices follow a moral and ethical code that is rooted in love and progression. I like those, not bad. Once you've gotten your core value statement all sorted out, it's time to then set the goals. Now, the method I love to use is called the SMART goal method. S.M.A.R.T, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Using this SMART technique in combination with your core values document will help you to flush out manageable tasks. So let's take the second core value, for example. You aspire to be liberated and rooted in your spiritual autonomy, and you believe that this is a core reason for wanting to be proficient in psychic and mediumistic faculties. In your mind, you see it as the more in control of your spiritual energetic abilities, the more liberated you feel. See how that provides clarity and a path forward? Let's do an example of some SMART goals using this very specific context. So S would be, I would like to develop 4 out of 8 spiritual psychic clairs. M would be, I will track my progress by practicing at my altar daily for 10 minutes and journal in my results. A would be, I have already acquired 2 out of the 4 from last year's. R would be, I value my psychic and mediumistic faculties as foundational knowledge, and this goal will increase the psychic clairs that I already have while developing new ones. And T would be, this mentorship is 1 year long, and since I was able to achieve 2 clairs in 1 year in the past, I can project that I will be able to accomplish the other 2 clairs by the end of this mentorship. Do you see how specific and manageable that is? All right, let's do a quick recap. So far, you've asked yourself the big questions, you've pulled out the core values from them, and you've made SMART goals in alignment with those core values. Now, all you have to do is develop your action plan. But what is an action plan, Leilani? An action plan incorporates daily practices and rituals that support your spiritual goals, such as meditation, journaling, prayer, But your action plan is based on your schedule and should be flexible enough to help you remain consistent. So the best way to figure this out is to observe yourself and your daily routine for about 2 weeks to see where in your schedule you have idle time. You'll be surprised at how much time you waste in a day when you actually take inventory of the minutes and the hours. Once you've determined those pockets of open time, you then choose a pocket that works for you and the nature of your goals. Then just try and stick with it daily and give yourself grace if you don't. And that's it. You've developed your plan with your online mentor today, and the only thing you need to do is to actively engage in regular check-ins with your said mentor. Because the plan that you made is a living document that needs review for your progress. And it also needs review to make any adjustments, right? This living document is something that grows and changes with you. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned a lot. And if you're interested in more spiritual subjects, please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. Links are in the bio. But most of all, remember that this is how we grow, guys.